Hi everyone, today I'd like to talk about Overnight Peel sold by Derma-E. I was recently gifted this product back in October, thanks to Derma-E. So this is actually an overnight peel. I'd never used one before, so this is quite different. You're supposed to apply it to a cleansed face, so this was my face prior to applying it. I applied it about an hour before bed, and it has a very nice pump top. That was about 3 pumps because the information states to apply a generous layer. So as you can see, when you work it into your hand, it basically disappears almost. And as you can see, my hand looked a little oily, but the peel itself is a unique consistency. This is what it looked like after I applied it. I did have some slight redness, and then this was a wider shot. But I didn't have any burning. I didn't have anything of that nature. This was an hour after I applied it, because as I said, I applied it a little bit before bed. And this was this morning. I didn't have any flaking skin. I didn't have any redness. And this was after I washed my face, because you're supposed to rinse your face. So stay tuned. So hi everybody. As I mentioned, I recently tried Derma-E's Overnight Peel. This was gifted to me from Derma-E back in October. And since we had kind of like inclement weather yesterday, I figured I'd give it a try. I tried this an hour before I went to bed because I wasn't sure exactly what the consistency of the peel was like, if it was going to be oily or greasy. And I also wanted to see how my skin reacted to it in case I had to wash my face before bed. I will say that I didn't have any real major adverse reactions to where my face was extremely red, or I didn't have any itching or irritation really. It was normal redness, like when you apply a product to your face for the first time, but it wasn't anything out of the ordinary. I will say that if you've never tried something like this and you tend to have sensitive skin, you may want to do a spot test on your arm and leave it for a few hours to make sure that you don't have any type of adverse reactions, because I know everybody's skin pH is different. Overall, the bottle is a very nice size. It's a heavy quality plastic, and as you can see, this is what it looks like. And it is a natural alpha hydroxy, or it has alpha hydroxy from natural ingredients. So it does have a sun sensitivity warning. So you will have to use sunscreen when you use this product up to a week after you use the product as well. And of course, for common sense reasons, we should be using sunscreen. Don't be me and forget about it, and remember later on once you feel your face start to burn. But it does suggest that you do use sunscreen. Overall, I liked the pump because it was very easy to use. It's very smooth to pump, and as you saw in the video, the peel itself is a white consistency, and it wasn't greasy, it wasn't oily. It does have kind of like a moisturizer sort of consistency to it, like when you work it in your hands. So you do feel a little bit of like an oil base or a moisturizing sort of base. And when you apply it to your face, you do feel it on your face, but it wasn't like greasy or really oily. I didn't feel that my face was sticky. So as I said, I did apply the peel an hour before I went to bed, or a little bit over an hour before I went to bed, because I wasn't too sure exactly what the consistency was, and I wasn't too sure how my skin was going to react. So I figured it would be safer that way. And I noticed right away after I applied it, I did have some slight redness, but it wasn't anything, again, out of the ordinary. It was just basically, redness from when you first apply a product that your skin isn't used to. I did have warming like around the cheeks, on the apple of the cheeks, and like my chin, probably a few minutes into having the product on my face. It wasn't anything uncomfortable, it wasn't anything intense, but you did feel a warming effect. When I woke up this morning, I don't know why, but I was expecting to have like pieces of skin flake off. I don't know why. I just thought that maybe I was going to have, well, for anybody that's ever used a skin cleanser or an exfoliator, or maybe even a peel, when you rub your face, sometimes you have like little pieces of skin come off. So that's what I was expecting this morning. I woke up and I looked about the same. So, so I didn't have anything like out of the ordinary. I didn't have like, sometimes I tend to have excess skin that builds up here on my chin. I didn't have any real flaking or anything like that. When I washed my face this morning, I washed it with lukewarm water and I just rinsed it thoroughly. Um, and I applied a moisturizer afterwards, and I haven't had any adverse reactions. Um, Prior to applying the product, the information does state that you can cleanse your face, and I did. I cleansed my face with just a general cleanser that I had, and I used witch hazel as a toner, and I let my face dry completely for probably about an hour or two before applying this. Everybody's routine varies, but that was just something I tried because I wanted to make sure that I didn't have any adverse reactions to any of the products with the peel. But other than that, I was very happy with it. My face didn't feel dry, or it didn't have any I didn't have like any tingling or anything like that this morning when I woke up. My face did feel kind of moisturized, which was interesting. And even when I rinsed my face, I didn't feel like it was dry or itchy. So I like that. Overall, this peel runs $18.75 through Derma-E, or from their website, I should say. And I will probably keep using this, but I will use it sparingly. And as I mentioned, it does have a sunburn advisory, so you will have to use sunscreen when you use this product, and you will have to use sunscreen for about a week following the use of this product, just to be safe. But thanks so much to Derma-E for this product, and I hope everybody has a good day. And I added all the information in this description below. Bye.